Hello. So, I thought I'd make this video, and this video is an example of the stupid shit that you buy when you have too many FSA dollars left in your account at the end of the year. So, feel a little bit like a Star Wars character. So, what I'm hoping for is that, like, I have less wrinkles and stuff, and, so I can be more beautimous and everything. Kind of trying to maybe not roll back time, but, keep time at bay for a little bit longer. So, yeah. This is what I'm doing. Can you imagine? Can you imagine if, like something happened to me and I died? And, they come in here and I got this freaking mask on. I think it would be kind of funny. But, that's me. Maybe like, what was that movie where all the androids had a smooth face? There's been several of those kinds of movies, but that's kind of what it's reminding me of right now. I really kind of feel like half human and shit. So, if you have extra FSA dollars in your account at the end of your annual year, if yours is up in December, then I'm supposed to have results from wearing this thing in about that length of time. They say it's slow, So, I'll be doing this every night. Right? I won't be doing this after a week, but so I'll be doing this every night faithfully, so I can report back and let y'all know, if I look like I'm like 45 or whatever. So I'll see you guys later. I don't know. Stormtroopers, they do some shit like this. I don't know. Alright, I'm out. That's not the off button. I can't find the off button. Doggone it. When Trevor sees this video, he's gonna say, Mom, you are so ridiculous. Where's the stop button? Is that the stop button? That's not it.